Today we're going to start topic 4, systems of linear equations. In section 4.1 we're going to learn how to solve two linear equations by graphing. So step number 1, to graph we're going to write two t-charts. Now when I'm using standard position or standard form equation, I like to do it this way. There's more than one way. I can show you when we're done the other way of doing it. So the first thing we're going to do is we have two t-charts. We're going to put a 0 here and a 0 here. This is the y-intercept, and this is the x-intercept. Same with over here. Once we have put these zeros in, we can only solve for one variable at a time. So we're going to start with substituting a 0 in for x in our first equation. So we have 3 times 0 plus 2y equals -6. The 3 times 0 goes away. We have 2y equals -6. Dividing by 2 on both sides, we end up with y equals -6 divided by 2 is -3. So the -3 goes here. Next, we substitute a 0 in for y. So we end up with 3x plus 2 times 0 equals -6. Again, the 2 times 0 goes away. We have 3x equals -6. So we end up with 3 dividing on both sides. X is equal to -6 divided by 3 gives us a -2. So the -2 goes here. All right, next, let's go ahead and figure out the next equation. I have 5x minus 3y equals -15. We're going to substitute a 0, so we have 5 times 0 minus 3y equals -15. The 5y goes away, the 5 times 0 goes away. We end up with -3y equals -15. Divided by -3 on both sides. Negative times negative is positive. So we end up with y equals 5. Now that goes away because a -3 divided by -3 is 1, and y times 1 is y. So the 5 goes up here. Next, we substitute a 0 for x. Substitute 0 for y. So we end up with 5x minus 3 times 0 equals -15. The -3 goes away. We have 5x equals -15. Divide by 5 on both sides. And we end up with x equals 5, and the -15 is -3. -3 goes here. Now we have two pairs of coordinates. We only need two pairs of coordinates in order to graph a straight line. So here we go. First one, we have 0, -3, 0, -3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to put a point there. -2, 0. We end up with a -2 on this side. Then we have our straight edge. And we end up with the first line looking like that. Okay, next. So this is our 3x plus 2y equals -6. All right, next we're going to go ahead and graph this. 0, 5. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And this is -3, 0. So we come over here to -3. Goes here. Again, we draw our line. And we're going to end up with something that doesn't cross again. All right, so where they cross is approximately here. So let's see, the equation of this line here is going to be our 5x minus 3y. equals negative 15. So this is going to be approximately, our answer is going to be at negative 2.5 and 1. And that's how you graph a system of linear equations. So again, the answer is negative 2.5, 1. Thank you.